Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sakshi Tiwari and today I am going to talk about a topic that reflects the courage, determination and evolving strength of our nation, that is women in defense. For many years, defense forces across all over the world seems male-dominated areas. People believe that war front, borders, combat roles demand the physical thoughtness that only a man can give. But no, this is not true. Women saw that not just once but repeatedly that the courage is depend on the character, not on the gender. The journey of women is very inspiring because they are allowed only for the medical and supporting role. To become the fighter officer, naval officer, commander, war front officers is very inspiring. This is not only to give the strength of to our armed forces. This is for show the world that India believe in equality, just not by the word but by the actions. Now I am giving some examples of our female officers like Abhi Chaturvedi, the Lieutenant of Air Forces who flew the MiG-21 Bison, one of the toughest fighter jet of Air Forces. We are admiring our officer Madhuri Kanikar, the first female officer who is at the Lieutenant General, the highest rank of armed forces in the women's. Now, we are admiring our officer Captain Shiva Chauhan, the first female officer who is posted at the Siachen, the highest battlefield of our world. Now, from women who are in the armed forces give the leadership qualities, emotional strength, and many other things that enrich the armed forces. They do the same exercise that a man can do. They do the same challenges, stand shoulder to shoulder with their male officers. Whether it is the air surveillance, border security, natural disaster, they do everything excellence. Now, at the end, the questions are arises about their equality, posting at these sensitive areas. Society thoughtness need still attentions about these questions. Now, for stopping these questions, when a woman go in the defense, she does not walk alone. She carry the million of thought that a girl that is in a mind of a girl who think to go in the safest place, that is in the forces. At the end I would like to say the national security is in the safe hand, whether the hand of a male or a female. Our country is safe in the safe hands, like the people who is courageous, who is strengthful, then they can handle our country. Thank you. Jai Hind.